Here are 30 most commonly asked interview questions, along with detailed and informative answers. For a 2 to 3 years, experienced SAP SD sales and distribution professionals. 1. What is the difference between the sales order and the delivery document in SAP SD? Answer. A sales order is the document created when a customer places an order for goods or services. It contains details such as customer information, items, quantities, and pricing. A delivery document, on the other hand, is created once the goods are ready to be shipped to the customer. It triggers the logistics execution and determines which goods need to be delivered. The sales order focuses on the agreement, while the delivery document focuses on the physical shipment. 2. Explain the concept of pricing procedure in SAP SD. Answer. A pricing procedure is a sequence of steps that SAP uses to determine the price of goods or services in a sales document like sales order, billing, etc. It consists of condition types like discounts, surcharges, taxes, etc. that are evaluated in a particular sequence to calculate the final price. The procedure is based on the condition techniques that include condition tables, access sequences, and condition types. A pricing procedure is assigned to a sales area, customer, and document type. 3. What are the different types of sales document types in SAP SD? Answer. Sales document types in SAP SD are used to categorize different types of sales transactions. Some common types include A. OR standard order, a regular sales order. B. RE return order, for processing returns. C. CR credit memo, issued for crediting a customer's account. D. DR debit memo, used for invoicing a customer for additional charges. E. BV, sales order with billing plan, for orders with the specific billing schedule. Each type defines its own business rules and process flow. 4. What are the key elements in the sales order processing cycle? Answer. The key elements of the sales order processing cycle are A. Order creation, sales order is created, and customer details are captured. B. Availability check, determines whether the product is available for delivery. C. Pricing, price calculation based on the pricing procedure. D. Delivery creation, when goods are ready, delivery document is generated. E. Picking and packing, goods are picked from inventory and packed for shipment. F. Post goods issue PGI, the goods are shipped and inventory is updated. G. Billing, an invoice is created and the customer is billed for the order. 5. What is the role of condition types in SAP SD? Answer. Condition types in SAP SD represent different pricing elements such as discounts, surcharges, taxes, and freight charges. These condition types are used in pricing procedures to determine the final price of the sales document. Condition types are defined based on business requirements and assigned to a pricing procedure to define how different pricing elements will be calculated. 6. Can you explain the order to cash to C process in SAP SD? Answer. The order to cash to C process in SAP SD refers to the entire cycle of receiving an order and processing it until the payment is received. It includes the following steps. A. Sales order creation. The customer's order is recorded. B. Availability check, to confirm if the requested goods are available. C. Delivery and shipment. The goods are delivered and shipped to the customer. D. Billing. Invoices are generated based on the delivery. E. Payment. The customer pays for the goods or services, and the transaction is completed. 7. How do you handle credit management in SAP SD? Answer. Credit management in SAP SD is used to check a customer's credit limit and to prevent exceeding that limit. SAP provides a credit control area that is responsible for managing credit limits. When a sales order is created, SAP checks the credit status of the customer. If the customer's credit limit is exceeded, the system can block the order or request approval. You can define automatic credit checks, which can be configured. based on specific criteria like order value, overdue receivables, etc. 8. What is the use of customer master data in SAP SD? Answer: Customer master data is the central data repository for managing customer-related information in SAP. It includes details such as A. General data, information common to all company codes and sales areas, for example, name, address. B. Company code data, financial-related information, such as payment terms, billing address, and tax information. C. Sales area data, information specific to a particular sales organization, such as pricing and shipping conditions. Customer master data is crucial for processing orders, deliveries, and billing. 9. What is the difference between invoice and credit memo in SAP SD? Answer: An invoice is a document sent to the customer, requesting payment for goods or services provided. It reflects the amount due for the sale of products or services. A credit memo, on the other hand, is issued when there is a need to reduce the amount billed to the customer, often due to returns, disputes, or adjustments. The credit memo creates a reversal of the invoice amount. 10. Can you explain stock transfer orders in SAP SD? Answer: A stock transfer order (STO) is used to transfer stock from one location to another within an organization. In SAP SD, STOs are created when goods need to be moved between different plants or storage locations. It involves creating a sales order for internal stock movement, followed by the delivery and posting of goods issue and receipt. 11. What is the purpose of shipping point in SAP SD? Answer: A shipping point in SAP SD represents a location within a plant from where goods are shipped to customers. It is responsible for activities like goods issue, picking, and packing. A shipping point is assigned to a plant and is used to determine how and where the goods will be shipped during the order-to-cash process. Please check description or comment section of this video. I have given a link for downloading 7 or 8 PDFs bundle containing all types of most asked interview question and answers like scenario-based, technical-based, behavioral-based, real-world problem-solving, generally most asked implementation project-related questions and answers, support project-related questions and answers. Required for your SAP jobs like SAP FICO consultant jobs, SAP PP consultant jobs, SAP MM consultant jobs, SAP SD consultant jobs, SAP Ariba consultant jobs, SAP Extended Warehouse Management EWM consultant jobs, SAP Plant Maintenance PM consultant jobs. Each PDF contains 50 most commonly asked interview questions and answers, covering from basic to advanced interview questions and answers. Since these PDFs covers from basic to advanced interview questions and answers, these PDFs are useful for freshers, mid-level experienced people like 2 to 3 years, and for experienced people like 5 or above years. Experienced people also. You people can download all 7 or 8 PDFs in a single zip file from below given link. 12. What are schedule lines in SAP SD? Answer: Schedule lines in SAP SD are used to specify the delivery dates and quantities for each item in a sales order. Each sales order item can have one or more schedule lines, depending on how the goods will be delivered. Schedule lines are linked to the delivery document and determine the actual shipment of goods. 13. Explain the difference between post-goods issue PGI and goods receipt GR in SAP SD. Answer: Post-goods issue PGI is the process where goods are physically shipped to the customer, and the inventory is updated accordingly. PGI marks the completion of the delivery process. Goods receipt GR, however, refers to the receipt of goods into the warehouse or plant. It is a part of the logistics and inventory management process, often related to purchase orders rather than sales orders. 14. How do you define tax procedure in SAP SD? Answer: A tax procedure in SAP SD defines how taxes, for example, VAT, sales tax, are calculated in a sales order or invoice. It specifies the rules for determining the tax rates and tax amounts, which depend on various factors like the country, tax jurisdiction, and customer's tax status. The tax procedure is configured in the system to calculate taxes during the order-to-cash process. 15. What is the role of item categories in SAP SD? Answer: Item categories define the attributes and behavior of the items in a sales document. They determine if the item is for sale, return, service, or consignment. Item categories also control pricing, delivery, and billing processes for individual items. For example, an item category could define whether the item is a standard product or a free item with no pricing. 16. What is the significance of billing plan in SAP SD? Answer: a billing plan is used to define the billing schedule for a customer, typically in cases of long-term projects or services. It determines the specific dates or milestones when the customer will be billed. There are two types of billing plans: periodic billing and milestone billing. The billing plan is assigned to a sales order to ensure that invoices are generated according to the agreed-upon schedule. 17. How do you handle returns in SAP SD? Answer: returns in SAP SD are processed through return orders, which are created based on a customer's return request. When a return order is created, a credit memo can be generated and the stock is returned to inventory. The process involves creating a return sales order, then a return delivery, and finally a credit memo. The credit memo is used to adjust the customer's account. 18. Explain the difference between outbound delivery and inbound delivery in SAP SD. Answer: an outbound delivery is the document generated for shipping goods to a customer. It is linked to a sales order and involves the goods issue process. An inbound delivery refers to the document created for goods received from a vendor in a procurement process. It is used to manage goods receipt in SAP Material Management. 19. What is transfer of requirements in SAP SD? Answer: transfer of requirements refers to the process in SAP where the sales order demand is transferred to the production planning module PP or material management for further processing. When a sales order is created, the system can automatically transfer the requirements for specific materials to ensure that the necessary stock is available for production or procurement. 20. What is the importance of sales area in SAP SD? Answer: a sales area is a combination of the sales organization, distribution channel, and division. It determines the conditions and processes applied to sales transactions. A sales area is essential because it defines how goods or services are sold, delivered, and billed. Every customer is assigned to a specific sales area, ensuring that the business processes are tailored to their specific needs. 21. Explain the concept of stock determination in SAP SD. Answer: stock determination in SAP SD is the process by which the system determines which stock from different storage locations will be used for a sales order. It is crucial in situations where multiple storage locations or stock types are available. Stock determination helps in selecting the appropriate stock for delivery based on predefined rules, such as prioritizing certain locations or types of stock. 22. How does the delivery block function work in SAP SD? Answer: a delivery block is a mechanism used to prevent the processing of deliveries for specific sales orders under certain conditions, like credit issues or incomplete documentation. It can be set manually or automatically, for example, when a customer's credit limit is exceeded. The block ensures that the system will not create a delivery or perform goods issue until the block is removed. 23. What is the purpose of material determination in SAP SD? Answer: material determination allows you to automatically replace one material with another based on business rules. This functionality is commonly used for substitute products, promotions, or when a product is no longer available. Material determination is useful for managing product availability and ensuring customer satisfaction by offering alternatives. Please check description or comment section of this video. I have given a link for downloading 7 or 8 PDFs bundle containing all types of most asked interview question and answers like scenario-based, technical-based, behavioral-based, real-world problem-solving, generally most asked implementation project-related questions and answers, support project-related questions and answers. Required for your SAP jobs like SAP FICO consultant jobs, SAP PP consultant jobs, SAP MM consultant jobs, SAP SD consultant jobs, SAP Ariba consultant jobs, SAP Extended Warehouse Management EWM consultant jobs, SAP Plant Maintenance PM consultant jobs. Each PDF contains 50 most commonly asked interview questions and answers, covering from basic to advanced interview questions and answers. Since these PDFs covers from basic to advanced interview questions and answers, these PDFs are useful for freshers, mid-level experienced people like 2 to 3 years, and for experienced people like 5 or above years. Experienced people also. You people can download all 7 or 8 PDFs in a single zip file from below given link. 24. Can you explain the significance of the availability check in SAP SD? Answer. The availability check is a process in SAP SD that checks whether the requested product is available in the required quantity and at the desired delivery date. The system uses various parameters like stock, procurement lead time, and production planning data to perform the check. If the stock is insufficient, it may trigger procurement or production planning actions or propose alternate dates. 25. What is the cash sales process in SAP SD? Answer. Cash sales in SAP SD refers to the process of selling goods directly to a customer who pays immediately. This process bypasses the credit management check and is typically used for retail transactions or when the customer pays upfront. The sales order is created, delivery is processed immediately, and billing is done at the same time. 26. What is route determination in SAP SD? Answer. Determination helps to decide the best delivery route for a customer's shipment based on the delivery address and shipping conditions. It is configured using criteria like shipping point, transportation zone, and loading group to ensure timely and cost-efficient deliveries. 27. How do you configure account assignment in SAP SD? Answer. Account assignment determines how the financial transactions are recorded for each sales document. It links the sales process to the appropriate general ledger accounts, like for revenue, taxes, etc. Different account assignment categories can be used based on the sales document type, such as cost center, sales order, or internal order. 28. What is the use of credit management in SAP SD? Answer. Credit management is used in SAP SD to monitor and control the credit exposure of customers. It checks the credit limit before processing any orders or deliveries to ensure customers do not exceed their limit. It helps in managing the risk of unpaid invoices and optimizes cash flow for the organization. 29. What is output determination in SAP SD? Answer. Output determination is the process by which the system decides what output such as invoices, order confirmations, shipping notices should be generated and how it should be sent like email, print, etc. It is based on predefined conditions, including document type, output medium, and customer preferences. 30. How does the consignment process work in SAP SD? Answer. The consignment process, goods are provided to the customer, but ownership remains with the seller until the customer consumes or sells the goods. The customer does not pay until the goods are withdrawn from the consignment stock. The process involves A. Consignment fill-up. Goods are sent to the customer's location. B. Consignment issue. Goods are used by the customer. C. Consignment return. Goods returned by the customer. Please check description or comment section of this video. I have given a link for downloading 7 or 8 PDFs bundle containing all types of most asked interview question and answers like scenario-based, technical-based, behavioral-based, real-world problem-solving, generally most asked implementation project-related questions and answers, support project-related questions and answers. Required for your SAP jobs like SAP FICO consultant jobs, SAP PP consultant jobs, SAP MM consultant jobs, SAP SD consultant jobs, SAP Ariba consultant jobs, SAP Extended Warehouse Management EWM consultant jobs, SAP Plant Maintenance PM consultant jobs. Each PDF contains 50 most commonly asked interview questions and answers, covering from basic to advanced interview questions and answers. Since these PDFs covers from basic to advanced interview questions and answers, these PDFs are useful for freshers, mid-level experienced people like 2 to 3 years, and for experienced people like 5 or above years. Experienced people also. You people can download all 7 or 8 PDFs in a single zip file from below given link. For more exciting tips, tricks and more importantly, for valuable insights of interviews, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. It has a lot of valuable information about various insights of interviews. It has a wide range of real-world portfolio projects of various technologies for interviews, and it has wide range of most asked interview questions and answers of various technologies like data science, SAP, AWS, DevOps, and full-stack web development and more. That will be useful during interviews. It has a wide range of most asked interview questions and answers and real-world portfolio projects of various technologies for freshers, for 2 to 3 years, experienced candidates, and for 5 or above years, experienced candidates to test their skills by knowing most asked interview questions and make themselves ready for interviews.